Everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. This phone looks seriously premium. With its metal frame and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, it honestly feels like a flagship. But is it really that good? From the camera and performance to the battery life, I'm going to break everything down in detail today. Let's dive right in. Protected from water and dust. It's a bit heavy at 213 grams, but it still feels HD plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The colors are incredibly vibrant, and it hits up to 1,000 nits of brightness outdoors. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or scrolling, everything feels over the A54. Everyday tasks, multitasking, and scrolling leads to minor heating and a slight drop in performance. But honestly, that's pretty. Now for video. Yes, you can shoot in glorious 4K, but unfortunately is absolutely on point. Around front, the 32 megapixel